Hello everyone, hope you are doing good. In this video, I will discuss about STS plugin installation in Eclipse. Before installing, we need to know why we need to install STS plugin in Eclipse. First, what is STS? STS abbreviation is Spring Tool Suite. If you are installing STS plugin in Eclipse, then we will get STS related support. So if you want to Spring Boot support, then we need to install STS in Eclipse, or directly you can use the STS ID. STS ID also look like a Eclipse. Let's get started. Open your Eclipse. This is the latest Eclipse launch. I will also mention here process to get support Spring Boot. So we are installing STS plugin in Eclipse. Process to install STS plugin. First step here, Windows preferences. Close here, Yelp market space. Step 1, Yelp. Second one, marketplace. Go to Yelp marketplace. Next here, in marketplace, here, find text box is there. You can type STS, then go. Find box is there. You can in one find box is there. There, type STS and go. So before starting this prerequisites, we need prerequisites. Prerequisites are must be Eclipse installed, and good amount of internet. Internet is good. Must check if your internet is not good, it will stop in middle. So it is time waste process, and you will not able to install again. Must be internet is good. So here STS, go scroll down. Can type small letter, go STS. You can type like Spring Tool Suite, go. Yes. Yeah, after typing Spring Tool Suite, we got two options. See, import Spring Tools 3. Here, information. So after this will support up to Eclipse 2022-03 only. But this is more new version we have. So let's check this. Here, Spring Tools 4 is the next generation of Spring Tools for our favorite coding environment. So support for developing Spring Boot based enterprise applications wherever you prefer Eclipse, Visual Studio, or Eclipse. There, so it is we need to install Cloud Foundation manifesto language. So you can just follow defaults configure. These are asking the I accept the terms and conditions. Accepted. Finish. So it is installing software. It is asking to trusted websites. Trust selected. Installing software. Here, this is the progress. Much good amount of internet is required while installing. Here, how much KB or MB of data is downloading. I will pass some time until this installation done. It is starting to restart the Eclipse ID. Restart. Once restarting, let's check the it is done. We are able to create a Spring Boot project or not. So it is loading. Yeah, it is successfully loaded. Successfully updated some dependency. So file new. We need Spring Boot. Post here you can change perception like here Java EE there. So okay. File new. Go here. Spring Boot. Spring Boot starter project. You can also do this. Else you can close this one. You can check Java EE default is there. Here you can go to others. Such as Spring Boot starter. Next. So we can change me even change to 21. Java. Everything same next. No dependencies. Next finish. This post project, right? It will take some time to download some dependencies. Some demo. Once this everything is downloading done, so we can run this project, and if it is successfully working, then installation of in Eclipse STS plugin is successfully completed. So it is lot of dependencies downloading. So after installing this Eclipse, this is the first time downloading some jar files. These jar files are available in C drive, users, username, M2 folder, repository. These are the today's list. These are the jar files downloaded today only. Close this. Yes, you can run. Right click, run a Java application. Spring Boot app or Java application. Do you want a private network to access this app? Allow, yes. Allow. First time these will ask this kind of permissions. You can give SSS. This started. Thank you for watching this way too. We can install STS plugin in Eclipse. For more videos, please subscribe to this video channel. If you are getting any errors while installing, you can disable the your antivirus. Here, suppose if you are MCA free antivirus is there, you can go to real time scanning. You can turn on, you can turn it off if you are getting any this file or related errors. Thank you for watching.